Welcome to Goldelementautoworks. I'm Brandon Green, the owner, and I just want to say thank you so very much for you all support. Because of you all support, I've been able to grow from an idea to now an established business, and I now have a list of clientele who I've assisted with the customization, the modification, and the maintaining of their Mercedes-Benz vehicle. And that's always been my objective as a personal owner of Mercedes-Benz, is to show you all how to maintain them, how to fix them, and how to customize them. If you want to do aftermarket wheels, headlights, interior, exterior accessories, things of that nature. And fortunately, what has taken off more than anything else has been the coilover conversions. Silver's Neo Max, Yellow Speed Racing, BC Racing, they've reached out to me. I've been able to help and assist with customers with their products. And so I carry them, of course, on my website. If you go there to www.goldelementautoworks.com, you can see those products. Periodically, I do offer a discount depending on the season or the time of the year. But nonetheless, you all have definitely come through and bought the products. And so because of that, trusting me, trusting my website and my knowledge and experience, I've done everything that I can, and I'll continue to do all that I can do to assist you all with the installation. And not only you, but your mechanic, the shops, they've contacted me as well, all over the world actually. I've helped people, I'm here in Ohio. I've helped people in Florida, Michigan, California, all the way to the UK. I've spoke to people in Africa, spoke to people in the Middle East, and I'll continue to help as many people who reach out to me. That is my goal, is to help other Mercedes owners to continue to love and maintain their vehicles. And so thank you so very much for helping me out, and I'll continue to help you out. So again, go to www.goldelementautoworks.com. And if you have any questions, reach out to me personally. My phone number is area code 513-967-8079. You can contact me directly. You can also go to my email at goldelementautoworks@outlook. Let me see, what else? Instagram is WideBodyCL55. And then my Facebook is Gold Element Autoworks. So go to any of those sources, or social media platforms, or website, or email. Even contact me or text me. You can call me or text me. I will answer my phone. I appreciate all that you all do. Please continue to love and support me, and I continue to love and support you. Again, Brandon Green, owner of Goldelementautoworks. I'm out. Thank you.